Okay, so we've come around to potato chitting season. It's about 2nd of March. The potatoes I'm going to be growing this year are Sarpo Mira, I've got Jazzy, I've got Charlottes and Maris Pipers. I've got about 10 potatoes there and there. Sarpo Mira is basically 1.5 kilograms. I've not counted those yet. What I'm going to need to do is set them up in my trays so that they can start chitting. Okay, so I've got all my 4 different potatoes laid out in these trays for now. I might transfer them to the egg boxes if I can get hold of some. But for now, so we've got the Jazzies, Charlottes, Maris Piper and my Sarpo Mira. There's a few chits already coming out on the Jazzy and the Sarpo Mira. The Charlottes and the Maris Piper have only just started. If you look on a potato, let's show you this one for example. So you've got your chits starting to form on the top end. If you look underneath, hopefully you can see it on the camera, there's that slight little divot there. That's the end opposite where the chit from. So all 4 of these varieties I'm doing, you can chit now, so late February to early March. Harvesting, from what I understand, your Jazzy you can harvest in July, your Charlottes you can harvest June to July, Maris Piper you harvest anytime between August to September, and your Sarpo Mira harvest last between September to October.